Thank you, and hi everyone, and well done Finovate, keeping the best until last. We're actually Finovate returners. We were here 4 years ago. Back then we were live in 7 markets, and we processed about €500 million annually. Since then we've expanded. We're live across Europe in 29 markets, and we've grown almost 800% in volumes. But today we're here to speak about our latest fintech innovation, the Trustly Direct Debit product. I'm Josef Darmark, Chief Product Officer with Trustly, and with me I have Märta Wiberg, Product Manager at Trustly. When we do the demo and walk you through it, there's 3 things I want you to remember and think about. One is conversion. We will show you how convenience can help you drive conversion. The other one is churn. It's a key element of this product. We'll explain how we will remove the unprovoked churn you can see because of, for example, expired credit cards. And third, security. We build our solution upon bank security, and that's a key factor as well in this product. So we will show you how we can achieve all this while still providing you with the most secure payment solution you've seen. But I'll leave it to Märta to demo the product for you.
Okay, thank you. So in this case, we're going to show you how our product works for an insurance company. But there are, of course, endless other use cases where it can be applied, since it works for all types of recurring payments. But in this case, Joseph wants to buy travel insurance. And coverage details have already been entered, so he continues to select which package. Maybe go for gold? Or,
yeah. Sure.
And continues to set up the payment. We now enter Trustly's iframe. Think of it as a really secure browser to log on to your online bank. Joseph selects his bank and enter his personal ID number, something that everyone in Sweden knows top of mind. Signs in using the authentication method of his specific bank. So here the experience can vary depending on which bank you're using, but Trustly supports all authentication methods provided by the banks. So let's see. Now we can see the mandate. This is the direct debit mandate, and the only thing left for Joseph to do is select which of the bank accounts he wants to pay from, either the checking account or savings account, and he connects that account. And we're done. We end up at the merchant success page. We see that he will be debited £17 a month for the insurance. So you see an extremely smooth registration process, and that's why we are convinced that your conversion definitely will increase. And thanks to the 2-factor authentication of the banks, Joseph has not only signed up for recurring payments, he has also, or we have also, verified his identity. Compare that to cards, where all payment details can be found on the card itself. This opens up for fraud. So anyone can actually enter those card details, not only the cardholder. But let's take a step back. Why did we create this product? Direct debit is not something new. That itself is not an innovation. But there are issues, both with traditional direct debit and with stored card details. For traditional direct debit, the sign-up process is really inconvenient. We can actually test it right now. How many in here can stand up and say their bank account number and sort code? Yeah, maybe a few, but definitely not everyone. And in many countries, the sign-up is still occurs offline. That means that customers have to enter details to paper templates and send by regular post. But also for the electronic version, details that not are top-of-mind information are needed. And for cards, the sign-up process is OK, but cards either expire or get lost. And that means that consumers have to enter the payment details again. It's a cumbersome process for the customer, and there's a high risk of unnecessary churn for the merchant. But Trustly solves both these issues. It's a really convenient sign-up process, and the bank account never expires. In the demo, we saw what the product looks like for an insurance company, but there are so many other use cases. For example, we can have monthly subscriptions with fixed payments or fixed amounts, such as Spotify or Netflix, but it also works for one-off payments, where the amount varies. So, for example, for taxi services or food delivery services. Let's quickly test it again. Just run through the mandate registration and see how quickly it can be done. So you select your insurance package, select your bank, log into the bank, and once you're in the bank, all you have to do is select your bank account, and we're done in less than 30 seconds.
So there you have it, and I hope you remember the things we spoke about in the beginning. You have the conversion. The convenience will drive your conversion. We spoke about the churn. We will be able to remove the unprovoked churn due to payment methods expiring. And we have the bank-level security. So we'd love to speak more to you about those details, so come see us at our stand just outside. Thank you.